Welcome to another video of Chuck and Susan in Mazatlan. Today we'll be removing the remaining tile. We will do the pool edging and we'll start building the benches. Enjoy the video. I had an appointment this morning, so I missed the part where they brought all the bricks in. Jose is sweeping the edging because they're going to put in the edge banding today. Nestor has already started on the first bench, and the way they build it is they built it up with these clay bricks. Then they backfill it with whatever rubble they have, and compact it down a little bit, and then they'll cap it off with concrete. It's a pretty interesting process. So to make the edge banding, what they did is they took 3-inch PVC pipe and they cut it in half. And then they'll attach it around the outside edges to that board. And then they'll fill the inside with concrete when they're finished. So it makes kind of a rounded edge on both sides. And then of course they round the corners and that sort of thing when they do the finish work. But I've never seen anything done like this before. that'll pretty much do it for this time, guys. It's a beautiful day in Mazatlan like always. The weather has turned really great. Thank you so much for watching the videos. We do appreciate it. And if you know anybody who likes pool build videos, please send them over to our channel. We appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.